Sécurité sur route, nous pas besoin de désespérer. Sécurité à plus vite.
May you receive glory and honor. We are thanking you, Father, that you will move with us, you will take care of us, you will keep us, and you are able to give us all the victory. We thank and we bless you. In the name of the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, we have prayed.